In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact ZellePay's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to zellepay.com. And now once you're on their website, you want to click on the three horizontal bars that's located top left hand corner of the page. And then we want to click on Contact Us. So go ahead and click on Contact Us. Now from here, scroll down. And then you want to click on Contact Support, Customer Support here. And scroll down again. And get to about halfway down near the page. And there is a phone number you can call. So you can give this number a call here. And they are open between 10 AM to 10 PM Eastern ET time. 7 days a week, excluding New Year's Day, Independence Day, Thanksgiving and Christmas. But if you'd rather speak via email, scroll down again and then fill out this form. So fill out your first name, last name, email address, put in your mobile number, and then add in a description saying you'd like to reach out to ZellePay's customer support.